Okay, yeah, so I've never ever vlogged with this lens, so I don't even know if I'm in the frame, but testing out the mic, testing out this lens, making a car vlog, and hanging out with Tyler. And he invited me out to hang out in his wicked Aston Martin Vantage V8. Is it still a V8?
This is still a V8.
It's still a V8. This is a brand new model. I think one of the first ones we got ever in Calgary. First one I've ever seen in person. And going to Cars and Coffee, which is always done at Shane Holmes.
Cardell Homes.
Cardell Homes. I'm a bike guy, guys. That is just violent. I love it. And I said yes, so here we go.
I mean, stupid fast, but it has no soul. Like, I get out of it and I get into this, and I know it's as fast as this car is.
The I-Pace, yeah.
The I-Pace, by like leaps and bounds, it's as fast as this. But this thing I connect with, and I love it. It's got soul, and you can hear it.
That you can. I'm gonna be a car spotter. I'm gonna spot the car spotters. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, that's nice. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. There you go. So that's the car we arrived in right there. What color is it, Tyler? Zaffer blue. That was fun. 720. There we go. Look at that clean Range Rover. Love it. Why is it here? Oh wait, isn't that yours?
It would be.
One doors go up, now everyone starts showing up. Look at that. Doors on doors. Seatbelts match the wheels. This is what I would get. It is a real B7. That is just too cool. Some of you guys know I had a 7 Series when I was a kid. 10 years ago. Oh, thank you! Food vlog now. We can coffee Solomon trend over.
Oh yeah, we're gonna turn into the car foodies.
That's right. Hey, if you never know what car you're driving when you're driving it, just do this.
I try to text it. It's on his bird.
There we go. There's the. This is like a Calgary meetup. Nothing too crazy. Nothing like the stuff you guys get in the States, that's for sure. And there's cops here from the beginning to the end, so no tomfoolery. Pretty good turnout.
Just sit right out here in the middle of the...
That is a nice butt. Not you, man, the car. Oh, they're gonna go sit outside now, getting ready for all the shitheads are gonna pull out of here. There we go. So thumbnail 101, guys, if you want to be a car YouTuber, make sure there is a cop. Make sure there is some racers. And then nice cars. You have to be in it for a little bit. You have to do some self-vlogging for a little bit. And what else do you need to do to be a car YouTuber? I don't know, it's my first time.
Having a car doesn't hurt, usually.
Yeah, well, I'm in one. This one. Ooh, I like this. Battery electric vehicle. Oh, it's a dealer car. It's nice though. Nice-ish. Not my favorite electric car, but it's still nice.
Even when you saw it on, like when I saw it in Grand Tour, like really good for what it is.
us.
Double vlogging.
Double vlogging. Now I know how it feels to be the guy in the car when people record you leave. Oh, there's more people. Leave in vlog. Like you just yelled, "Rip it." Are you gonna rip it?
Yeah,
Are you gonna rip it with that guy right there?
Me. It's gonna hammer down here. We go nice and 20.
We got pulled over for. Oh yeah, buddy. Okay, so that is how you car YouTube vlog like everyone else does, and I need to get like a thumbnail where I'm like, oh my god, it's so fast. Right? Is that how you do it?
Yeah, I think it's AutoVlogging.
Auto vlogging. This is a MotoVlogger coming into the auto vlogs. Or I need a girl with like her boobs out or something like that. Ugh, missed opportunities. Horrible. Absolute horrible YouTuber.
That-
Sorry, car YouTuber.
That happens later at night.
Ooh, the boobs come out later at night. You're not even trying. Road rage. Technically, he's right. Technically, that guy's right. I mean, and it's funny that discussion came up today on this local car club.
Well, let's put this to rest. We'll park between them.
Exactly. Yeah, road rage. How to end road rage is park in the middle of them and then gun it. Oh, into my supercar, the Acura RDX. Well, guys, that's the end of this vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna stop recording now and go for a beer. Peace.